Thanks for watching Twisted TV and welcome to the channel. Grab the popcorn and your favorite beverage. Don't forget your favorite blanket, dim the lights and let's take a look at what's coming up on tonight's video. We have this frightening footage. Yikes. Lock the door. We have this fine citizen taking a walk enjoying the nice summer breeze. And also stealing your plants. Not to mention this caped crusader checking your package box. Probably just making sure your packages are safe. And that's just a warm-up on what's to come. Keep them doors locked and bring your shoes inside. Without further ado, let's get started. This lady just rang my doorbell and tried to open my locked screen door. I caught her from the other side and she left. Lock your doors. This guy stole shoes off our porch last night around 2 a.m. Keep an eye on your shoes. Guy creeping around my house looking through windows. Talk about cringe, not to mention scary.
Get out of here, bro. Get out of here.
Somebody is peeking through our windows. Another one that is absolutely cringe, not to mention terrifying. Another porch pirate stealing packages at night. Shameful. Keep an eye on your packages. This mail thief just hit the motherlode. Talk about a jackpot for this scumbag. Ridiculous. Why so much mail? Perhaps homeowners are on vacation or something. Either way, keep an eye on your mail. This man stopped his car, got out and looked through this garage. Homeowner said, I hope he didn't like what he saw. Please be on alert for this low life. Potential package thief. Not sure what is with this woman's outfit. This caped crusader crept up to my package box after reading delivery instructions and opened the door, saw it was empty and scattered when I talked to her through the Ring camera.
Hello?
Hello?
Another plant pirate in this one. These are becoming a lot more common. Keep an eye on your plants. Stolen patio furniture. This morning at 3:30ish someone came and took a table and chairs off my front patio. Any info you have would be appreciated. Thanks. And of course he won't forget the table that goes with his new stolen chairs. Keep an eye on your patio furniture. Anyone else have this woman come up to their house at night? When she got back to her car, you can hear her say, "They have a fudging ring camera," to the driver.
Can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Without a doubt, malicious intent. Stay vigilant out there. Stolen trash bin. This guy stole my trash bin. Police found him with a stolen tool bag in my trash can. Surprise, surprise. Actually not surprised at all. Keep an eye on your trash bins. Porch pirate stole a television box with a television in it. What he doesn't realize is that the television in this box is completely broken. Egg on your face, porch pirate scum. Too funny. Milk thief. Is this the 1950s or what? I guess we didn't realize people still had just milk delivered to their house in the morning. We saw 2 gallons. This kind-hearted thief only took 1 at least. Apparently keep an eye on even your milk these days. Thieves. These great human beings decided to walk in my yard and help themselves to some cold drinks that were in my cooler. The drinks obviously weren't good enough for them. They decided to take the whole cooler. Be aware of these people if you're in the area. The woman had a TV in her hand as well as other items. Not sure if they are dumpster diving or porch pirating. Either way, just wanted to make people aware. We at Twisted TV just hope that was their dog, and that they didn't steal the dog as well. Be vigilant always, and keep an eye on your cold ones.
They're buddies.
Is someone missing a pig in this last clip of the video? This pig was wandering this homeowner's yard today when he let his dog out.
What is that, Lily?
Looks to us at Twisted TV your dog has a new best friend. This pig looks very friendly and lovable. We hope you decided to keep the pig until you find his homeowners. We hope you enjoyed the video. We upload new content weekly. Please show your support and consider hitting that like, share and subscribe button. In doing so you won't miss out on new content uploaded weekly, most times daily. Hit that subscribe button now, to join the family and be part of the Twisted TV crew today. As always, keep it classy. Stay safe and always be vigilant, my friends. We hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.